It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I am showing you my dining room today and how I decorate it for fall. This is my favorite time of year because it begins the season of decorating for me because I do a little bit of Halloween, a little bit of Thanksgiving, and then we go right into Christmas. So it's just really fun. I'm showing you today my tablescape for fall. It's the beginning part of fall because I'm gonna switch things out when we get closer to Thanksgiving. And I'm gonna show you the centerpiece that I made, my table setting, I said that so proper. Setting, and then also my buffet that we just put together. So I'm gonna jump right in and show you guys exactly what I did to prep my room for fall. This video is in collaboration with my dear friend Courtney Shields. She also did a video with her fall decor on her channel, so go check that out. The link to her video is in my description box below. Let's first get started with my place setting. First off, I start with the placemat, and this one is a burlap one, and I picked it up at Pier 1 last year, but I saw it in store, so it is currently available. Then my charger is actually a matte black charger, also from Pier 1. For dinner plates, I'm using a classic white dinner plate with the white beaded edge. I love these. I bought them last year from Home Goods. And then for a napkin, these are also from Home Goods. They're just the classic green. They could be fall or Christmas. Works either way. My salad plate is also from Home Goods. I'm a Home Goods girl, can you tell? And I actually found 8 that matched. Can you believe it? That never happens. For flatware, I'm using my gold flatware. Also, this is from last season. Bought this at Crate & Barrel. Just love these so much. Bought some regular twine, and I'm just using them to wrap up and tie it in a pretty little bow for an interesting flatware placement on the table. I wanted to do something different this season. For glasses, I'm just using my goblets that I used last season. I'm looking for new glasses, so if you guys know of any good ones, leave them in the comments below for me to check out. You probably recognize the centerpiece from last Thanksgiving. It's pretty much the same. I just upgraded it a little bit. I bought greenery from Hobby Lobby, Michaels, places like that. I love lamb's ear, and just snipped it up, popped it in wherever I wanted to, and then used different pumpkins that I already had in my decor boxes for fall, and then just arranged them in a way that I thought was just really pretty and fitting for the room.